Hi, my name is Bharadwaj. I'm a photographer specialising in portrait, fashion, campaign photography, moving towards the exploration of the human experience. So we're here today in Southall in London, which I think of as brown capital of London. And we're documenting people getting ready and eating and just enjoying the beginning hours of Diwali. Diwali is a lunar festival. It's basically a festival where light overcomes dark and good overcomes evil. The ultimate bottom line is that good always triumphs and to choose to do good always. Some of the traditions that surround it would be fireworks. There's always barfi, which is like the Indian sweets. Every year, my mum and I do this thing where we'll draw the feet of the goddess Lakshmi, and it's meant to say to bring in wealth into your house for the year. You light candles in front of your door, keep the door open, and because we live in London, close it very quickly, but hope that she makes it in that time. My goal for today, I think, is to capture the community and so Diwali is like a time of the year for Hindus. They go out and buy each other gifts and get their homes ready, and it's a really decorative affair, and this is a time where everyone goes ham. So it's so much fun to just see the different aspects of the decoration. Everyone celebrates it differently, everyone has their own little ways as well, and I'm hoping to get a bit of that today where it shows the diversity within just our own people as well. That'll be cool. When you're capturing an event like Diwali or any event, it's important to remember that it's people's real life events and their celebrations, so to just be respectful of that and their boundaries, and just make it a safe space when you're shooting, even if it's on the streets. You can always capture what you need to without annoying someone. I think you'll get better shots anyway when you're respecting them, because a lot of times people will work with you, especially Indian people, hey? They love a bit of it. You tell them you want to take photos of them, they would love that, give it to you. But not if you're in their face and being aggressive about it. I think it's important to preserve any culture within the UK and your culture, mainly just because I think it changes as generations go, and it's important to document where we're at now with it. The way we have a beautiful archive of when South Asians first moved here compared to a few years in, us being second, third gen now, that's a whole different identity as a South Asian. I think it's important and fun to document that for even our own kids, if not a wider audience. It's nice to be able to express the traditions as well within spaces that are not brown. We're all nuanced people, more than black and white political opinions or anything. I think it's that removal of shame that's nice to see now, where you don't have to hide it or just celebrate within your own people. You can spread it a little bit. I think it will follow, and I'm excited to see how far we get and how assimilated our culture becomes.